What's going on, guys? We got a quick video today. We're going to get right into it. Before we do, if you haven't already, subscribe, hit the alert so you get notifications. I put out weekly videos on meal prep and all the behind the scenes with my company, Fit Food Fresh. You can kind of see it right there. There's going to be some links below. One's going to let you reach out to me. I'm going to send you a free ebook on how to start a meal prep company for $500. I'm going to send you a copy of our ordering system that I made from scratch to help you with up to 620 orders a week. You also get invites to our Facebook group, which has a lot of great people in there at all different experience levels, and it's great to have the whole community chiming in. Really proud of all of you guys who are already in the group. You guys are helping so many people out with your questions and your answers, because sometimes you're going to think of a question that the next guy wouldn't, which is also a great reason to join the group. Getting these answers to questions that you have and questions you haven't even thought of is invaluable. I wish I had something like this when we started Fit Food Fresh with nothing. No experience, no money, no friends in the industry, and we grew it to Florida's highest rated meal prep company. And I'm going to show you exactly how, one video at a time and in the forum, so you can replicate our success. Welcome to our channel where we go behind the scenes of our meal plan company Fit Food Fresh and other local businesses across South Florida. Make sure you hit the subscribe and alerts so you never miss a video, and hit us with any questions or suggestions. What's going on, eaters and feeders? I've been getting a lot of questions about licensing, so I wanted to make a quick video to explain what you guys need to do to make sure you have the proper licensing. Now, this was either going to be a quick video or a very long video. The reason it'd be a long video is if I were to look up every single state, city, municipality, county, whatever, and give you guys a how-to on licensing, it'd be a very long video. That's because, unfortunately, licensing and regulation regarding kitchen and food and all that fun stuff is actually a state-by-state basis. In some instances, you're going to run into restrictions and regulations that you'll have to deal with on a city-by-city basis. Here in Florida, we have 3 governing bodies depending upon what you're doing exactly. There's the Department of Agriculture, there's the DBPR, which is the Department of Business Professional Regulations or something like that, and then there is the Department of Hotels and Restaurants. I believe that we're registered under both the Department of Hotels and Restaurants and the DBPR, and I forget the reason because we did it years ago. In any case, you're going to want to check with your city and see what the procedures are, because the city's going to know best. They're going to know if you need to talk to a city fire inspector, a county fire inspector. Here in Palm Beach County, we actually have divisions in certain cities where this half of the city is controlled by the city fire department, this half of the city is controlled by the county fire department. So I'd start with your city and see where the line of demarcation is, who you need to be talking to about all of this stuff, getting your kitchen inspected, licensed, and all that other fun stuff. And make sure you do your due diligence. We registered as caterers because out of all the descriptions, it really fits what we do best. Some of the options that would also work along with caterer is commissary. And if you have, and it all depends on the vocabulary that they use, you may also have the options between cafe and restaurant, which I would only do if you have a retail space for people to come in and eat there. This stuff is also equally important when you're getting your merchant account set up to take credit cards. You're going to want to make sure that they don't label you like a fast food restaurant and then you have your account shut down for 3 weeks like we did. And I can tell you all about that in another video if you want to talk about merchant processing and taking credit cards. But as I said, I want to keep this one short because the alternative would be very long and painstaking, and I think it'd be easier for everybody, especially since I'm getting some viewers from other countries, to just check with your local regulations. This is one thing that I definitely don't want to act like I'm an expert on, and I want to make sure you guys set up your businesses the right way. All right, guys, I promised it was going to be a short one, so that's all I've got. Again, like, subscribe, hit the alert, check out the links in the notes, leave me a comment, join the group, check out some other videos. Just make sure you have an awesome day.